Hello and welcome back to the YouTube channel of Kanak Infosystem LLP, your ultimate resource of all ERP system. Today we will discuss about how to add a repeated rows and column in a XLX report. So let's start. First I will show you how actual display a report in current without repeated rows and column. Currently you can see here. Now I am exporting this report. Now I will show you. Here you can see how it will look like. No repeated rows, no repeated columns. Now I'm show you how to add a repeated rows column in a XLX report. So first I will show you how to edit. So in accounting report, we have a inject report into XLX sheet method. So first I have inherit that method and add in a sheet. Repeat rows 0 3 first three rows and first two column A and B are repeated using this repeat row and repeat columns functions. For the better view we have add as a set as a landscape view so we can get the better view. And now I am calling the super method of inject report into Excel sheet. So for the getting this view, this result, I haven't uncomment this import. Run again. Now download the XLX report. Now I'm export this PDF. Here. So now you can see here repeated rows and repeated columns are display here with the this is the repeated rows and this is the repeated columns. To display a better view, this is the landscape view. You can see here this is the repeated columns are display here. Before before this added a repeated rows and column, you can see here no repeated column are display here. After our method it's repeat. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel for updated